With the divine blessings and sacred presence of Sri 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 Yadigiri Yatiraja Narayana Ramanuja G.R. Swami, the revered Peethadipati of Melukoti Yadigiri Yatiraja Mutt. Yesterday morning was filled with devotion, positivity and spiritual vibrations as Bhumi Pujan and Prabandha Parayanam were performed for the construction of the new Amrita Mahotsava Bhavana at Sri Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Temple, a branch of the revered Melukota Yadigiri Yatiraja Mutt. The auspicious ceremony was carried out with the divine Amrita Asta of G.R. Swami, marking a sacred and blessed beginning for this noble project. Devotees and well-wishers gathered with deep faith and devotion to witness this memorable occasion filled with Vedic chants, divine grace and spiritual harmony. May the new Amrita Mahotsava Bhavana stand as a symbol of devotion, culture, service and unity, inspiring generations with the teachings of Bhagavat Ramanuja and spreading spiritual enlightenment to society.